posture. Let's talk about posture in the pool.
Posture is easy if you encourage people to go up onto their toes and to make sure that they rotate to look back at their rear arm. If you don't do that, you do what often sometimes instructors will say, look straight ahead. You know, keep your back straight to look straight ahead. It looks like this.
Now look really closely at the front of the shoulder. So I've slowed it down, and I want you to notice how my shoulder is rounded forward as the arm goes back. So there's a bit of internal rotation.
The problem with that is that as my arm reaches back, my palms are pointing this way and my shoulders rolled forwards. It's so much nicer when I can rotate my body around and allow the shoulders to sit back. Really helps with my posture.
And that's the reason why I don't ask my participants to ever look forwards when they do a straight leg front kick. If I'm asking for a big movement with the lower body, I want a big movement with the upper body to match it, and so that I can get the rebounding action, just the same as when you're walking, right? The longer the stride of the arm, the longer the stride of the leg, the longer the stride of the leg, the longer the stride with the arms. They talk to each other.